Understanding aftershock in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. In today's video, we're going to uncover the meaning behind the term aftershock. You might have heard it in news reports or read it in articles about earthquakes. But what does it really mean, and how can you use it in a sentence? Stay with us to find out all about aftershocks and enrich your English vocabulary. An aftershock is a smaller earthquake that follows the main shock of a larger earthquake. Imagine an earthquake as a large rock thrown into a pond. The big splash is the main quake, and the ripples that come after are the aftershocks. These can vary in size and frequency but are generally less severe than the original earthquake. Aftershocks are significant for several reasons. They can be powerful enough to cause additional damage to structures weakened by the main quake. Therefore, understanding aftershocks is crucial for disaster preparedness and emergency responses. Seismologists, the scientists who study earthquakes, pay close attention to aftershocks to gather information about the Earth's movements and to predict the likelihood of future seismic activity. Let's look at some examples of how aftershock can be used in everyday conversation. After the massive earthquake, residents were on edge, feeling the frequent aftershocks. The first aftershock hit just as we were beginning to clean up the debris. Aftershocks can sometimes be felt weeks or even months after the original quake. Interestingly, aftershock is also used metaphorically to describe the after effects or consequences of a significant event or action. For instance, the country felt the aftershocks of the economic downturn for years. Her resignation was followed by the aftershocks of a company-wide restructuring. That's all for our video on aftershock. We hope this explanation helps you understand not just the literal meaning related to earthquakes, but also how it can be applied in other contexts. Remember, learning a language is like feeling the aftershocks. The initial splash is learning the basics, and the continued ripples are the new words and phrases you'll discover along the way. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.